Hello there, my name is Devin Anderson, and this is my presentation on the research paper I did about Edward Snowden and the case of Edward Snowden. To begin, Edward Snowden worked for the NSA and the CIA. He was a former U.S. Army veteran, and he has always been highly skilled with computer technology. In June of 2013, while working for the NSA, he flew to Hong Kong, and with him, he had classified information that he stole from the NSA, and that information revealed unethical and illegal practices used by the American government. He flew to Hong Kong so he could meet some journalists there and share the information with the public. Edward Snowden did this for the public. His intentions were to inform the public of these unethical practices that the government was using. Some of them, like the prison program, where they accessed people's social medias and private emails without them knowing. Kind of a backdoor is how it's been referred to as. As you can see here, he believes that the intelligence agencies got intelligence however and whenever they wanted to, however they could get it done, whether ethical or not, or legal or not. But it's important to know that he acted for the public, to inform the public. On the other hand, the government's response was looked at Snowden more of a traitor more than a hero. President Obama several times defended the American government, and he clearly stated, "No, I do not think Mr. Snowden was a patriot." The public's reaction is not black and white. There are mixed opinions out there. A research conducted by the Pew Research Center shows that millions of Americans are angry with the government and millions are angry with Edward Snowden. There is no partisan divide between political parties and opinions. And the main issues were that the government was using unethical surveillance practices, and the public was not aware of the practices used by the American government, and specifically intelligence agencies. Solutions for this problem, potential solutions, are end-to-end encryption, better technology and keep up with innovative technology, a change in CIA employee policy, and education. End-to-end encryption, as you can see here, it makes it very difficult, nearly impossible for third parties to access information that they do not have permission to access. For example, WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption. The WhatsApp Corporation cannot view users' data that they are transferring, nor can the government. So that's pretty powerful. That is one potential solution, to incorporate more end-to-end encryption in big technology companies where there is sensitive and classified information that the government should not have access to. It'd protect the individual. Policies and education. It's important to continue the debate that has come from the Edward Snowden case. Cybersecurity should be taught in public school and in communities, and funded by the local government for any adults who want to learn about cybersecurity. Finally, the call to action. Never forget what Snowden did and why he did it, whether someone believes it's ethical or not. It brings an important debate about cybersecurity issues and personal privacy. Listen to other opinions because you can learn from them. And be careful about the information that you have online, and educate yourself about why you must be careful and what can happen to your information online and how to better protect yourselves. Thank you very much for listening.